If you're looking for delicious recipes to make eating healthy feel easy in the new year, we've got you covered. Starting off with these high-protein breakfast sliders. To a bowl of eggs, add milk, salt and pepper, then whisk well, cook until soft and fluffy, then start assembling your sliders. Eggs, turkey bacon, and avocado, slice into individual sliders, and enjoy. Next up, soy-marinated eggs. Mix soy sauce, rice vinegar, honey, mirin, sesame oil, minced garlic, green chili pepper, red chili flakes, green onion, and sesame seeds in a container. Then pop in your peeled, soft-boiled eggs, cover and refrigerate for at least a couple hours before enjoying. These are perfect for adding some extra protein to any meal. Moving on to the chicken Caesar salad wrap. To a bowl, add chopped lettuce, chicken breast, Caesar dressing, Parmesan, salt and pepper, and toss well. Using 2 low-carb tortillas, start assembling your wrap and enjoy! Now for the viral doner kebabs. Mix ground beef, grated onion, and your seasonings until well combined. Divide into 2 portions, place each portion between 2 sheets of parchment paper and roll paper thin. Then roll them into tight logs, place on a baking sheet, and bake for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, mix Greek yogurt, minced garlic, lemon juice, and salt and pepper for a light garlic yogurt sauce. Serve your doner meat on a wrap with fresh veggies, and enjoy. And finally, these chocolate quinoa crisps. Start by toasting your quinoa in a pan until lightly browned, then melt dark chocolate chips with coconut oil and combine with the toasted quinoa. Form chocolate rounds on a parchment paper lined baking sheet, then refrigerate until fully set. They're the perfect sweet treat and a great hidden source of fiber. And that's it, 5 delicious recipes that make healthy eating goals feel easy. Let us know in the comments which one you're trying first, and don't forget to follow Noom for more easy recipes.